So I got some more packages. First one, this one is from Norway. We got another one from France and another one from Norway. So let's start with this one first. This is something I've been looking at or looking for and haven't really found any. Probably me just having a bad eBay search, but at least this one showed up at a Norwegian trading site. It's just like the motor mounts, no, motor plugs for, yeah, of course I haven't got any, see, like this. I need them because I got a few motors I need to change the wiring for, and then it's good to have that one. Next up is this. Was in my mailbox one day, and as already featured in one of the videos, I got this one, a flashing unit to be mounted in the Porsche 959. To get the front lights to flash. I thought it was pretty cool. I got it in a trade with a friend of mine. We decided he would get some 3D printer stuff, so I have to get my printer up and running and start to print something. And he also included this one. Pretty cool. So thanks, Martin. That was totally awesome. Okay, if this is what I think it is, this is something really special, and it will be featured on a later video on this channel for sure. Yeah, I think you get the idea if I show this. Yes, it's some parts, aluminium parts, Manobet parts, special made by Manobet, of course. This is for the Top Force Evolution, but you also can have them to fit on a regular Top Force. So this, I will make a separate video with this, so you can have a look. I could bring the camera down here and show you a little bit better the parts. Okay, I think that will be enough for this video. Yeah, and as I mentioned, all these things will be featured in other videos. So if you like this, please subscribe to my channel, smash the like button and hit the notification bell so you can get an update on when the video is released. Until then, bye.